Good morning, students. So far, we have discussed the first unit of development of societies, that is social development. We discussed various concepts like history of origination, beyond the family origination, its origination and types of families, and we discussed the clan and its types. We discussed the societies and characteristics of societies and various kinds of societies. So we discussed various concepts in the first chapter. Now let us look at the second chapter, that is political development. So what is political development and introduction part, and political system learned from the history. So let us look at some of the concepts in this chapter. Now let us look at the part of introduction. What is political development? How political development is defined? Let us look at this. Political development is a more elusive concept than economic development. Political development is more elusive concept than economic development. It is more controversial in normative terms and more difficult to measure in empirical and operational terms. It's more difficult to measure in empirical and operational terms, and it's more controversial in normative terms. It is used frequently by both normative and non-normative or existential thinkers. Normative thinkers or theorists stress that political system develops as it approaches the good political order. So this is what the introduction part of political development. Political development is a more elusive concept than economic development. It's more controversial in normative terms. It's more difficult to measure in empirical and operational terms. It's used frequently by both normative and non-normative theories, and it's generally nothing. The political system develops as it approaches the good political order. So this is what the political development introduction is all about. Political development has been variously explained as it has been explained as political prerequisite of economic development. It has been explained as the political typical of industrial and advanced societies. The political development has been explained as the political modernization under which advanced nations regard as space setups. Political development has been explained as the operations of nation and state. Political development has been explained as administrative and legal development, and it includes all colonial practices and authoritative structures. Political development has been explained as mass mobilization and participation involving new standards of loyalty and democracy. Political development has been explained as building of democracy. Political development has been explained as stability and orderly change. Political development has been explained as mobilization and power. Political development has been explained as one aspect of multi-dimensional process of social change that regards it unnecessary to isolate political development from other aspects coming under the total process of modernization. So this is what the political development is all about, the definition of political development and how political development has been variously explained in different terms. And ideas of the another concept in political development is ideas of political systems as learnt from history. So let us look at some of the ideas of political systems that are learnt from the history. Political system, nothing but the set of formal legal institutions that constitute a government or a state. So what are the different political systems as learned from history? So political system, the set of formal legal institutions that constitute a government or a state. This is the definition adopted by many studies of the legal or constitutional arrangements of advanced political orders. More broadly defined, the term political system comprehends actual as well as prescribed forms of political behavior, not only in the legal organization of the state, but also the reality of how the state functions. Still more broadly defined, the political system is seen as a set of process of interaction or as a subsystem of the social system interacting with a non-political subsystem such as economic system. So this is how the political system has been viewed from the historical point. There are some typologies of government. So what are those typologies? The typologies, the most important type of political system in the modern world is the nation and state. The world today is divided territorially into more than 190 countries, in each of which a national government claims to exercise sovereignty or the power of final authority and seeks to compel obedience to its will by its citizens. This fact of the world's political organization suggests the distinction employed in the following section among supernatural, national, and subnational political systems. We'll discuss supernatural political systems in the next video. Thank you.